Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp profile information connecting problem. See, this is problem. Okay, first of all check your Wi-Fi or data connection. Now open your Play Store application. Tap on search icon. Now search here WhatsApp and then type here WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp if it is available. My WhatsApp application already updated. After update your WhatsApp, go back your home screen. Now tap on phone settings. Scroll down little bit and then tap on apps. Tap on apps management. Now search here apps. Scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. After tap on clear cache, go back one step. Now tap on permission manager. You can see unenable some permissions. Now must be enable all permission. At last, reboot your phone and try to log in WhatsApp. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.